سر عمران خان
Prime Minister Imran Khan.
وزیر اعظم پاکستان عمران خان.
The most prominent figure, the most popular man in your country, Imran Khan. Some more right now across live to a member and Imran Khan's PTI party are now joining us live here on RT International, and a very warm welcome to you today. So it's great to have you on this program. We are seeing that the party you represent is contesting the electoral results. What will be your next move, basically, given that the most prominent figure, the most popular man in your country, Imran Khan, remains behind bars?
Thank you very much for having me on your show. First of all, I would like to thank you all for giving me the opportunity to represent my party, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, and to raise the voice of my leader, Imran Khan, on your media.
Imran Khan does still enjoy huge popular support.
Imran Khan.
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 Imran Khan. Imran Khan.
Imran Khan.
Imran Khan's
Imran Khan.
Imran Khan. Imran Khan.
Imran Khan was difficult for us to deal with.
इससे आगे ना लेके जाएं, क्योंकि जो भी आप करेंगे पाकिस्तान मजबूर होगा रिटेलिएट करने के लिए.
And we will fight. And when a nuclear armed country fights to the end, it will have consequences far beyond